We continue to celebrate Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kowaleski. He is retiring after 40 years in news. So this week we're looking back at his career, highlighting some of his most impactful stories from his time at Denver 7.
Hey, today it's a mental health hospital about an hour north of Denver that was shut down after what Tony uncovered. Investigative reporter Natalie Chuck in the studio with this multi-year investigation and how it breaks
Shannon and
down.
Jessica, it's good to be with you guys again tonight, still doing this for Tony this week. Now, this one all started back in 2019 when a concerned parent contacted Denver 7 Investigates about his son's treatment at Clearview Behavioral Health. This opened the floodgates with dozens more people coming forward, accusing the facility of questionable billing, concerns over staffing, and patients being held longer than necessary.
Are you saying that they billed for services they didn't provide?
Correct, especially group therapy sessions.
So you call these different state agencies. Did you receive a response?
No calls back, no emails back.
It started with former patients all coming forward frustrated with what they experienced, asking us to protect their identities because of the stigma surrounding mental health treatment.
I'm saying they're all about profit. They're all about doing anything to make a person stay so they can charge them more.
Denver 7 Investigates spent 20 months digging into issues at Clearview. What followed? The state shut down the facility in September of 2020.
Do you want to leave before you were sent home?
Absolutely. Yes. Many times.
What were you told?
That I wasn't ready, that the doctor decided that I wasn't ready, the doctor that I hadn't seen.
Who's making the decision on discharges? Is it the medical professionals or the money managers, the administrators?
The administrators that are making the decision, and nobody says anything.
What does that say to you?
That it's all wrong.
A new hospital opened in the same location shortly after Clearview closed, but staff and patients would continue sounding the alarm, complaining over similar issues at what became Johnstown Heights Behavioral Health. And Tony kept listening.
Card says anything I need to know, and it has my number. What made you reach out?
Well, initially it was the note on everyone's cars. Anything that you need to know, I was like, well, yeah, this place is terrible. You need to know everything.
In so many words, Johnstown Heights is a shithole. Nothing they're doing is helping the patients. There's no safety measures, and you're lucky if you can get out of there alive.
Do you think Johnstown Heights is getting a pass right now from state regulators?
Yes.
He's questioning the performance and practices of state regulators, paid with your tax dollars, paid to make sure this hospital is safe. Were these surprise visits by state inspectors, or did the facility know they were coming?
The facility knew.
Couple hours?
Couple days. I think they definitely need to take a closer look, and they need to dig a little bit deeper.
This former nurse described to Denver 7 what she calls the charade that unfolded after hospital leaders were tipped off about upcoming state inspections.
They'd call people in and say, it's all hands on deck, everybody's got to be here. I feel like if it had been a surprise, there would have been a lot more issues that they found within the facility. Because when you have time to prepare for something like that, you are going to cover your tracks, and they're not going to find what is really going on there.
After the state and Colorado's governor repeatedly denied interview requests, Tony set out for answers.
As you know, we've been trying to talk to you about Johnstown Heights. Do you have a moment?
Go ahead,
We've been trying to do a sit-down interview with you. We didn't want to meet you like this.
Go ahead, always happy to.
Our sources say they've not been handling surprise inspections as a surprise.
So we want to be made aware of anything like that.
Johnstown Heights finally shut down too in 2025. Management calling the closure a, quote, business decision. And this series really shows just how dedicated Tony is to getting answers for our community. You can watch more of this reporting online right now at denver7.com. Just click on the Investigates tab and find the article, Denver 7's Tony Kowaleski, 40 Years of Accountability.